Deepika Behera, lecturer in Civil Department. Today my topic is about estimating and cost evaluation. First of all, we know about what is estimating. Before undertaking a project, we consider that how much amount is provided in the project. How much amount is provided in the estimate. Before undertaking the project, how much amount will be provided, that is called the estimate. In estimating, there are two types of estimate are there. First one is detailed estimate. And the second one is abstract cost. First one is detailed estimate and the second one is abstract cost. In detailed estimate, the quantities are required and in abstract estimate, the costs are evaluated. In both cases, first of all, the quantities are required and the second one is in abstract cost, the cost is evaluated. So, what is the detailed estimate? First one is detailed estimate. In detailed estimate, what is the format? The format is, first one is item number, second one is description of item, third one is number, next length, next breadth, next height, next quantity, next remark. What is the format of detailed estimate? First one is item number, what is the item, next description of item, particular described, next number, how many numbers required, next length, what is the length, next breadth, what is the breadth, next what is the height, next what is the quantity and what is the remark. This is the detailed estimate format. Next, abstract cost format. Abstract cost. This format is, first one is item number, second one is description of item, third one is quantity, next rate, next unit, next amount. First one is item number, next description of item, quantity we already provided, next what is the rate per unit, next what is the total amount. This is the abstract cost. Clear? Next, in estimate, what are the main items are required in building? The first one is earthwork in excavation. Earthwork in excavation. Next, second one is cement concrete. Cement concrete in foundation. Next, third one is first class brickwork. First class brickwork in foundation. Next, DPC. What is the meaning of DPC? DPC is dam proof course. Next, the last one is superstructure brickwork. Superstructure brick work. Clear? These are the main items of the estimate. First one is earthwork in excavation,
Second one is cement concrete in foundation. Third one is first class brickwork in foundation. Next DPC. DPC means dam proof course which is provided in the plinth wall. Next superstructure in brickwork. Let us consider a problem. Then we know about all the items of the main work in estimating. We should estimate a wall foundation. Let us consider a figure. Total length is 6 meter. Cement concrete in foundation. Here is the breadth is 80 mm. This one is a footing, first footing, second footing, one, next superstructure. This one is your line concrete. This one is your first footing. This one is the second footing. This one is a plinth wall. This one is your ground level. And this is your DPC. This is your superstructure. This is 30 mm breadth. This is 40 mm breadth. This is 60. This is 50. And what is the height? The height is, first one is 30. Next 20. This one is 20. This one is 20. And this one is 60. Clear? First one is line concrete in foundation. Breadth is 80 mm, height is 30 mm. Then first footing 60 mm breadth, height 20 mm. Next third footing, second footing 50 mm. Then plinth wall up to ground level, plinth wall above ground level. Next superstructure. Next we go to the problem. What is the format? This is the format. Detailed estimate. Item number, description of item, number, length, breadth, height, quantity, then remark. First item number 1. First one is earthwork in excavation. Earthwork in excavation. What is the number? The number is total 1. What is the length? The length is 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is 80 mm. In all the dimensions are in meter. The 80 mm equal to 0.8 meter. What is the height? The earthwork in excavation is up to ground level. 30 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. What is the amount? The amount is 90 mm and the quantity is 0.9 meter. Then multiply this amount, then the amount is this much cubic meter. What is the second thing? Second item is cement concrete in foundation. Cement concrete in foundation. This one is 1, length is 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is also same here, 0.8 meter. And what is the height? The height is 30 mm. Which is meter conversion 0.3 meter. Then multiply this one is this cubic meter. Clear? Next, what is the third item? The third item is first class brickwork in foundation. Which one is a brickwork? This is first footing is brickwork. second footing is brick wall, plinth wall up to ground level is brick wall, and plinth wall above ground level is brick wall. The first one is first footing. Number is 1. Length is also 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is here. First footing. What is the breadth? 60 mm. So 0.6 meter. And what is the height? The height is 20 mm. 0.2 meter. Then multiplying this cubic meter. Next one is second footing. Number is also 1. Length is also same. What is the breadth? The breadth is second footing 50 mm. 0.5 meter. What is the height? The height is also 20 mm. Height is 0.2 meter. Then multiplying this one is cubic meter. Next, plinth wall. Plinth wall up to ground level. Number is also 1. Length is 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is, here is the plinth wall. The breadth is 40 mm. Up to ground level, the height is 20 mm. Then what is the breadth? 0.4. Height is 0.2. Then calculate this much cubic meter. This one is first footing, second footing, plinth wall up to ground level. Next, plinth wall above ground level. Number is also 1. Length is 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is also 0.4 meter. What is the height? The height is above ground level 60 mm. 0.6 meter. Then multiplying this cubic meter. Then totaling this one is your brick work in foundation. Next we go to the fourth item. The fourth item is DPC. DPC, which is provided 2.5 centimeter. Clear? The unit of the DPC is square meter. What is the description of DPC? Number is also 1. Length is 6 meter. There is no breadth. What is the height? The height is 2.5 meter. Then multiplying this one is, what is the unit? The unit is square meter. Next, fifth item. Brick wall in superstructure. Superstructure. What is the number? Number is 1. What is the length? The length is also 6 meter. What is the breadth? The breadth is also 30 mm. 0.3 meter. What is the height? The height is 3.5 meter. Then multiplying this one is this much cubic meter. Clear? Thank you.